it's light. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my 4C experience. Today's video is focusing on healthy hair journey tips, and one thing that I definitely picked up from Jump Street was the LOC method, or LCO method. What this is liquid, cream, oil, or liquid, oil, cream. Depending on your preference and the order in which your hair kind of reacts or absorbs moisture, you would use whichever. This method helps with locking in moisture. It's good to use water or a water-based leave-in conditioner, as liquid helps open up the hair shaft, making it receptive to absorbing moisture. Moisturizers, hair milks, hair lotions, and certain butters can be used as your cream. It's important to get this right because this is a key element to moisturize hair. Jojoba, almond, castor, mustard, and sesame oils are great oils for sealing the added goodness to your hair and ends. Before moving on, I wanted to let you know about testing your hair porosity. This is a useful indicator of knowing how your hair reacts to water, oils, and moisturizing creams. Take a strand of clean, dry hair and place it in a glass of water for a few minutes. Depending on where your hair ends up, it will tell you if you're low, medium, or high porosity. Oh, and FYI, I am low porosity. So right now my hair is damp, but it's not dripping wet, which means it's ready to take in some Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. So this is a new tub. I've had many replacements. I'm just going to take about that much and gently put that through my hair from tip to root. I don't want to overdo it because I'm still going to add some more moisturizer to it, but I'm just kind of mixing it in all the parts of my hair. The Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner from Sheer Moisture is definitely one of my staples. I always get it in the bonus size because it's 25% more for the same price. Gotta love a bargain. Not gonna lie, it smells weird, but I actually really like it. It smells like a nice version of castor oil, and castor oil doesn't smell nice. It definitely helps restore my hair, and the tub lasts a long time. So next I'll be using my Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. This whole Camille Rose range smells absolutely fantastic. I want the products to be able to absorb nicely into my hair. So I will do the same thing I did with the leave-in and kind of just work the product through my hair. The Camille Rose Moisture Milk definitely grew on me over time. It's pretty small in comparison to your standard size bottles, which is really annoying considering it is almost £20. However, it's rich in moisture, which is why I use it as part of my LCO method. Oh, and did I mention that it smells like a vanilla flavoured dessert? That's right. Okay, so the final step would be my mint almond oil. So I'm going to take some oil, just a little bit. I'm going to put it on my fingertips and kind of just direct it into my scalp. And then use this to massage it in for almost like maybe 2 minutes or so. And then I will continue to pour a bit more oil throughout my hair, focusing on my ends. Speaking of split ends, I thought I'd quickly touch on it. Split ends and single strand knots are caused by old hair, dry hair, or hair that rubs on clothing. Hence why trimming, protective styling, and sealing your ends are important to maintaining healthy hair. For me, I am just going to do a fat twist or two twists. Mint almond oil from Mild Organics is a staple for me usually during the winter, but because of lockdown my hair hasn't flourished the same way it normally does in the summer, so I chose to use this because it's kind of thick and locks in the moisture well. It's got a pretty big bottle for an oil, however it's a screw top bottle so it does leak a little bit. Also, I dropped a star on smell because yes, it's minty, but it's still an oil with an oily smell. I just thought I'd share a little tip that I also learned over the years. So you see how my hair is in all these like fat twists? Because my hair is still damp, by the time I wake up, the twist would have come from here and kind of would shrink till about there. I would suggest getting a hairband or a hair tie, stretching your hair like that, and start wrapping the hairband around the twists. This helps stretch the hair, just like so. So remember to pull the hair down and tie it. So I may want to do a second one for the second half of this. So kind of like from here, just to finally stretch it round. This is a heatless way of stretching your hair. Thank you for watching. Take care. God bless. I'll see you next Sunday.